Hello friends, welcome. We'll continue to learn our TTK bootstrap, and in this we'll see now about TOAS notification. This gives a various alert messages with we can customize it for duration, look and feel, icons and all. So in this notification we have already seen how the basics of it. Now we'll see, instead of using the click event, how this notification can be triggered by mouse over and mouse out event. But here some precaution also we have to take, because fast transition will leave the TOAS trace of those notifications. And also I will show you how to download the entire source code so you can easily change it in your system and work on it. Before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's learn the script. We are in our Visual Studio Code, so you can see the source of this basic TOAS notification. But here what you have done is we have connected to mouse enter and mouse leave instead of a click event. So this is whenever mouse is over the button or whatever widget you want, and then the message will come. And you can also see that we have taken from a dictionary we have created. So dynamically 4 buttons we are creating with representing 4 different types of food, and the message is also the part of the value for this dictionary, where keys are the fruits. So here you can see the dictionary, and this by looping here one by one we are displaying the buttons here. Now while these buttons are shown, same time we are adding the property that whenever mouse is enters over the button, the respective message should come, and when his mouse is out, this part is triggered by show TOAS and hide TOAS. Here are 2 functions are there. Show TOAS receive the fruit's name and pick up the corresponding message, what the fruit, this message part whatever it is there in here in the as the value, and that is shown so as TOAS. Let's just run it and see. The entire source code anyway you can download it. Here it is, the 4 buttons are there. So now when I am taking the mouse over it, the message has come. Once I am out of it, the message has gone. Once again the other button, so you can see the specific message is changing about, it talks about the fruits. So when I am out, it is shown. Here it is again about the bananas. This is speaks about the bananas only, and when a mouse is out of it, the message changes. But here is a issue here. What happens when you are moving over multiple widgets, this gets overlapped and it stays as it is. So the fast transition over the one, it is not means the hiding part, or the when you want to hide the TOAS, that time this is overlapping and remaining as it is, because the mouse is already entered to another one and giving the trigger that to keep it open. So that confusion we have to avoid. See this code, this we have slightly modified it, and the same notification module we have imported, and then the fruits as a dictionary we have declared it. We have just centered the, you can manage the positioning about the TOAS, so that we have managed it by positioning it at the center of the screen. So now here what difference is, instead of using a common TOAS, every time when you show TOAS function is called here, inside that we have declaring the TOAS, and before that note that we have declared a global variable active TOAS. So we have declared it as a global variable outside the function. So inside the function we just call it and associate with the TOAS notification. That's what is happening here. Now let's, when you are hiding it, again we are calling the global one. Here you see that global we are calling, and then we are hiding. Now what happened, just see the here we are just projecting the all our buttons inside a window. So in a for loop, because it's a dictionary, so all the keys we are taking and accordingly we are doing, and enter and leave the same one. Let's just see what difference it makes, because note that the basic difference here is that each time the TOAS is created when your mouse enters or leaves the, or it destroys once it leaves it. So it's not a common TOAS notification what you are using. So that avoids this issue. So let's just see that. And so here it is, 4 buttons. I am just above the mango. I come out, it has gone. I entered another, so the notification, and once I am leaving the mouse, it goes once again like that. Fine. Now let's quickly move one over the over. You can just see it's just smoothly transit, and it also stops when everything is over. Again, once again I am just moving fast over the button, so each one it is showing, displaying, and again it is closing as I am moving out of the all the buttons. Here you can download the entire source code. So this URL is there in the description. Just read the details here, all the details, and the part 1 you will see the basics of it. The video will show you the basics, how it triggers, how you can open it and all on a click event. So you can scroll down, read this, hide to us and show to us. These are two important methods whatever we use to hide or show. You can come down how you will change the icons also. Here you can see, then the example of uses, then customizing by changing the position of it. So example 2, interactive towards button. So you can mouse over or whatever when you click the button. So this is what has happened, because this here you can see the command event is connected to the buttons. Now comes the mouse enter. What you have discussed now, the mouse enter and leaves towards notification, giving you, explaining you of the problem when you are mouse over mouse out your event you are using, what is the precaution you have to take. And the working code is here. You can entirely, you can copy it and use it in your system. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any suggestion, idea, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when you are tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.